Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it.
That smells so good. 2 ounces of Empress gin.
Sure is a pretty gin.
It's purple, babe.
I'm trying really hard to be excited about this drink because purple is my favorite color.
A 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Sorry.
Oh, it's like an Easter color.
It smells like gin.
All right. It smells like gin. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. Are you shaking your head now or do you want me to try it?
Do it.
Oh, yeah. Anytime you put lemon with gin, I don't know what it is. It just...
It's not too tart.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Well, I am very surprised.
It looks like dirty bath water. Ready?
2 ounces of gin, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and about a teaspoon of honey.
Maybe you shook some good flavor into that.
It smells delicious, but it's gin. Of course it's delicious. Oh, that smells good. Gin. Smell it.
It looks like dirty bath water. This definitely smells like something you would take, almost like, not on like a hot toddy level, but like something you would take to just knock the cold out of you. Ready?
Babe, this smells delicious. Cheers. Yes, no. Didn't mind it, huh? I think we have a gin lover.
I rather enjoyed that. All right. Start with ice in your cup. I'm going to use 1 ounce of each one of these liquors. But if you're making one for yourself, only use a 1/2 ounce because you'll be on the floor otherwise. Gin.
I love gin.
1 ounce of tequila. 1 ounce of rum. Okay, 1 ounce of vodka. 1 ounce of blue curacao. 1 ounce of sour mix. This scares me to drink.
Yeah, this is dumb. Alright.
It sure is pretty.
Looks are pretty cool. I like Listerine looking shots.
All right, cheers, hubby. I literally don't taste anything.
I taste only gin. This is that drink you give people you don't like. Do you not like me?